Hello student, in today's class we are going to discuss time and work exercise part 2. Now see the indexes. Concept of work, efficiency and time based question, concept of negative work based questions, question based on the work and wages is some miscellaneous question, then summarize our today's lecture. Now there is a disclaimer. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owner of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concern or issue, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Now see the formula related to time and work. Now we know that work done equals to rate of work into time. So what will be the rate of work? If a person can complete a job in n days, their rate of work it become 1 by n. Clear? Same way, if a person can complete a work in d days, then the work done by him in 1 day become 1 by d. Efficiency is inversely proportional to the time taken when the work done is constant. So we can write it E is inversely proportionate to t. So E is inversely proportionate 1 upon t we can write it. Now next formula will become if M1 person can do W1 work in D1 days working H1 hour and M2 person can do W2 work in D2 days working H2 hour, then the relation between them become M1 D1 H1 upon W1 equals to M2 D2 H2 upon W2. Clear? Next formula, if A takes A days more to complete a work than the time taken by A and B together to do some work, and B take B days more than time taken by A and B together to do the same work, then A and B do the same work in under root A into B days. Clear? Next formula, A can do a certain piece of work in D1 days, B in D2 days, then the ratio of their wages of A and B are share of A ratio share of B become 1 by D1 ratio 1 by D2, or we can say that D2 ratio D1. Clear? Now see some questions. First question is, if 10 men or 20 women can make 260 shirts in 20 days, then how many shirts will be made by 8 men and 4 boys in 20 days? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now in the question it is given that 10 men equals to 20 boys. If 10 men or 20 boys, so we can say that 10 men equals to 20 boys can make 260 shirts. So what will be the efficiency of men and women? Men and boys. So 1 man equals to 2 boys. So we can say that 8 men equals to 16 boys. Clear? Now when we make the equation of 8 men and 4 boys, what will it become? 8 men equals to 16 boys and 4 boys are always present there. So when we add it, we get 20 boys work. Clear? So hence 8 men and 4 boys will make 260 shirt in 20 days. Clear? Next question. A and B can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively. A started the work alone and then after 4 days B joined him. Till the completion of the work, how long did the work last? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now question says that A completed a piece of work in 20 days. So A's 1 day work will become 1 by 20. So A's 4 day work become 1 by 5, 4 by 20. So when we calculate it, we get 1 by 5. Same way remaining work will become 4 by 5. Clear? So this part is completed by A and B together because in the question it says that. Clear? Now if we calculate A and B 1 day work, it will become 1 by 20 plus 1 by 12 because B completed the work in 12 days. So total work done by A and B in 1 day will become 2 by 15. Clear? Now we know that the total work is 4 by 5 and they complete the 2 by 15 in 1 day. Clear? So in how many days they complete? 15 by 2 multiplying by 4 by 5. So we get 6 days. Clear? So total number of days taken, 4 days A alone work and 6 days they work together. So total work days will be 10 days. Clear? Solution to be continued. Now we use shortcut. If A take 20 days and B take 12 days, we take LCM of 20 and 12. We get 60 as LCM, which is our total work. We let it as a total work. Now when we know the time, then efficiency is inversely proportionate. So we get the efficiency, which is 3 and 5. A's efficiency is 3, B's efficiency is 5. So in 4 days, A alone does 4 into 3 unit work. It means 12 unit work. So what will be the rest work will become 48 unit. Now remaining work done by A and B together. So 48 divided by 5 plus 3, both the efficiencies, and we get the 6 days. Clear? So work completed in 4 plus 6 into is equals to 10 days. Clear? Next. A can do a piece of work in 12 days, B in 15 days. They work together for 5 days and then B left. The days taken by A finish the remaining work is. You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now question says that A can do a piece of work in 12 days and B in 15 days. So we can calculate the 1 day work of A and 1 day work of B, which is 1 by 12 and 1 by 15. Clear? So 1 day work of A and B together will become 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. When we calculate it, we get 3 by 20. Clear? So 5 days of work of A and B multiplying by 5. So it will become 15 by 20. Clear? So remaining work will be 1 minus 15 by 20. When we calculate it, we get 1 by 4. Clear? So time taken by A to complete 1 by 4 work, and the efficiency of A is 1 by 12. So when we calculate it, we get number of days, which is 3. Clear? Solution to be continued. Now we are going to use shortcut. A take 12 days, B take 15 days, LCM will be 60. This is our total work. So we get the efficiency. A's efficiency is 5 unit per day, B's efficiency is 4 unit per day. Then in 5 days, 5 plus 4, 9 multiplying by 5, which becomes 45 unit. Clear? So remaining work done by A in how many days? So 60 minus 45, which is 15 upon 5. Efficiency of A is 5. So when we divide it, we get 3 days. Clear? Next. A can finish a work in 12 days and B can do it in 15 days. After A had worked for 3 days, B also joined A to finish the remaining work. In how many days the remaining work will be finished? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now question says that A completed the work in 12 days. Clear? So what will be the 1 day work will become? 1 by 12. So 3 days work done by A multiplying by 3, which become directly we can calculate it 3 day work of A, which is 1 by 4. Same way we get the remaining work. So 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. And B can do the work in 15 days. Clear? So what will be the total work of 1 day work of A and B will become 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. When we calculate it, we get 3 by 20. Clear? So the remaining work will be finished by A and B together. So 3 by 4 multiplying by 20 by 3, which is 5 days. Clear? Next. 18 women can complete a work in 12 days and 12 men can complete the same work in 9 days. In how many days will 8 men and 8 women complete that work? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. 18 women's 1 day work will become 1 by 12. Clear? 12 men's 1 day work become 1 by 9, because it is given in the question 18 women complete a work in 12 days. Clear? So now dividing equation 1 by equation 2, we have get 18 women upon 12 men equals to 1 by 12 multiplying by 9 by 1. So we get 9 by 12. Clear? So it means when we calculate it, we get 2 women equals to 1 man. So or we can say that one man equals to two women. So 8 men equals to 16 women. Clear? So now in the question, in how many days 8 men and 8 women complete the work? So 8 men and 8 women. So we can write it in the place of 8 men equals to 16 women and plus 8 women. So it will become 24 women. Clear? So 18 women can complete the work in 12 days. Clear? Now in that way, how many 24 women can complete the work? So we can calculate it 12 into 18 upon 24, which is 9 days. Clear? Is the correct answer. Next one. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, B and C in 8 days, and A and C in 6 days. How long would B take to do the same work alone? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Time's up. Let's see the solution. Now we can use LCM method. So A plus B together take 12 days. B and C take 8 days. It is given. And A and C and take 6 days. So LCM will be 24. This is our total work. So we get the efficiency of combined efficiency of A and B, which is 2 unit. Combined efficiency of B and C, which is 3 unit. And combined efficiency of C and A, which is 4 unit. So we can calculate the efficiency of A, B and C together. So it will become 4 plus 3 plus 2 by 2. So it will become 9 by 2. So A, B, C complete work in total work is 24 divided by 9 by 2, which is 16 by 3. Clear? Solution to be continued. Now A and C completes the work in 6 days and A, B, C complete the work in 16 by 3 days. We again take LCM, which is 48, and we get the combined efficiency is 8 A and C, and A, B, C is 9. So we get the efficiency of B, which is 1 unit. Now the question asked is how long would B take to do the same work alone? So B will take 48 days because he does 1 unit work per day. So total work is 48 unit work. So it will take 48 days. Next one. A man and a boy received rupees 800 as a wages for 5 days for the work they did together. The man's efficiency in the work was 3 times that of boy. What are the daily wages of the boy? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Question says that efficiency ratio of man and boy is 3:1. Clear? So boy's share will be total will be 4 unit. So 1 by 4 of 800, which is 200 rupees. Then the daily wages of boy is equals to 200 divided by 5 because there are total how many boys? If in the question says that a man and a boy, so daily will ask to, so total he get 200 rupees and daily will take in 5 days, so dividing by 5 we get 40 rupees. Clear? Next one. To complete a work, A takes 50% more time than B. If together they take 18 days to complete the work, how much time shall B take to do it? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Time's up. Let's see the solution. Now let B alone can do the work in X days. Clear? So A can do the work in 3x by 2 days according to question, because question says that A takes 50% more time than B. So if B take A x days, so A will take 3x by 2 days. Clear? So according to question, 1 by x plus 2 by 3x will become 1 by 18. It is given one day, they together take 18 days to complete the work. So this equation equals to 1 by 18. So when we calculate, we get the value of x, which is 30 days. Is the correct answer. Next one. A complete a piece of work in 4 days, B complete it in 6 days. If they both work on it together, then the number of days required to complete the same work is, you have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. A's one day work will become 1 by 4. B's one day work will come 1 by 6 because they complete the work in 6 days. A complete the work in 4 days. Clear? So required number of days complete the work by A and B together will become 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4, which is 12 by 5. And we can say that 2 and 2 by 5 days. Clear? Or we can use shortcut. A take 4 days, B take 6 days, LCM will be 16, which is our total work. So we get the efficiency of A and B, which is 3 and 2. Clear? So completed total work is 12 and their combined efficiency is 3 plus 2, which is 5, dividing 2 and 2 by 5 days. Clear? Next one. If a work can be completed by A in 30 days, B in 60 days, then the number of days taken by them to finish the work together. Clear? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now question says that A and B's one day work will become 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60 because A take 30 days and B take 60 days. So it will become 1 by 30 combined. So what will be the total number of days taken by together? So efficiency is inversely proportionate to time. So they will complete the work in 20 days. Clear? Next one. If a 10-person can do a job in 20 days, then 20-person with twice the efficiency can do the same job in. You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Efficiency is inversely proportional to time. We will know that. Clear? So the efficiency is 2:1. Clear? Question says that 10-person can do a job in 20 days. Then 20-person with twice the efficiency can do the same job. So required number of days will be 20 upon 2 into 2 because efficiency is twice. So it will be 5 days. Clear? Next one. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days and 15 days respectively. They began to work together but A left after 4 days. In how many more days would B alone complete the remaining work? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Time's up. Let's see the solution. A's one day work will become 1 by 12. B's one day work is 1 by 15 because they completed the work in 12 and 15 days respectively. Clear? So part of work done by A and B in 4 days. So we can calculate it 4 multiplying 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. So when we calculate it, we get 3 by 5 unit of work completed by A and B in 4 days. So remaining work will become 1 minus 3 by 5, which is 2 by 5. Time taken by B to complete the remaining work, because the efficiency of B is 1 by 15. So we can calculate it 2 by 15 multiplying by 15, which is 6 days. Clear? Solution to be continued. Now we use shortcut. We can use A is taken 12 days, B taken 15 days, LCM will be 60. This is our total work. So we get the efficiency of A and B, which is 5 and 4. Now 4 days work of A and B combined. So we can say that 4 multiplying by 5 plus 4, which is 36 unit. Now left work is 24 unit because 60 minus 36, which become 24, and efficiency of B is 4 unit. So dividing 24 by 4, which is 6 days. Clear? Next one. A and B together can complete a work in 18 days. A and C together in 12 days and B and C together in 9 days. Then B alone can do the work in how many days? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. A and B combined one day work will become 1 by 18 because they together complete the work in 18 days. Same way B plus C one day's work become 1 by 9, and A and C, we can say that A and C together complete in 12 days. So efficiency will become 1 by 12. Now adding all the above 3, we get 2 times of efficiency of A, B and C, which becomes, when we solve it, we get the 1 by 4. So we get common efficiency of A, B and C of one day together is 1 by 8. Clear? Now, question is B is one day work. How we can calculate it? So we can calculate total work. We know the total efficiency of A, B and C combined, and we know that the combined efficiency of A and C. So if we subtract it from the total efficiency of A, B and C minus A and C, so we get the efficiency of B. So we can calculate it 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12, which becomes 1 by 24. Clear? So hence B can alone complete the work in 24 days. B is the correct answer. Next one. A and B can complete a piece of work in 15 days and 10 days respectively. They contracted to complete the work for rupees 30,000. The share of A in the contracted money will be. You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Time's up. Let's see the solution. We use formula 12.7. Total amount is 30,000 rupees. A's one day work is 1 by 15. B's one day work is 1 by 10. So we make the ratio of their efficiency, which is 2:3. Clear? Now sum of their ratio will become 5, which is equals to 30,000 rupees, because wages is same proportionate to work done. Clear? So A's share will become A does 2 unit work, B does 3 unit work. So total is 2 by 5 multiplying by 30, which is 12,000 rupees. Clear? Next one. If 3 men or 6 women can do a piece of work in 16 days, in how many days can 12 men and 8 women do the same piece of work? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Question says that 3 men or 6 women. So we can say that 3 men equals to 6 women, and we can say that 1 man equals to 2 women. Clear? So can complete a piece of work in 16 days. Clear? So 12 men plus 8 women, we can put the value of 1 man equals to replacing by 2 women. So total women will become 12 into 2 plus 8. So it will become total 32 women. Clear? So 6 women can do the work in 16 days. Clear? It is given in the question. So 32 women can do the work is 16 into 6 upon 32, which is 3 days. C is the correct answer. Next one. 4 mat weavers can weave 4 mats in 4 days. At the same rate, how many mats would be woven by 8 mat weavers in 8 days? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. It is given in the question M1 equals to 4, D1 equals to 4 and W1 equals to 4. Clear? And M2 equals to 8, D2 equals to 8. We need to calculate W2. So we use the formula M1 D1 upon W1 equals to M2 D2 upon W2. So we just put these value 4 into 4 upon 4 equals to 8 into 8 upon W2. So we get the value of W2, which is 16. Clear? Next question. How many men will be required to plow 100 acres of land in 10 days if 10 men require 8 days to plow 20 acres of lands? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. 10 men requires 8 days to plow 20 acres of land. It is given in the question. So let X men require 10 days to plow 100 acres of lands. So we just use the formula M1 D1. 10 into 8 upon 20 is equals to X into 10 upon 100. Clear? So we get the value of X, which is 40. Clear? Next. A and B can do a work in 12 days. B and C can do the same work in 15 days. C and A can do the same work in 20 days. The time taken by A, B and C to do the same work too. You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Time's up. Let's see the solution. A and B's one day work will become 1 by 12. Same way B and C one day work will become 1 by 15. Clear? Same way C and A's one day work is 1 upon 20, because it is given in the question. A and B complete a work in 12 days, B and C in 15 days, C and A is 20 days. Clear? So what will be the combined efficiency of A, B and C? We can calculate it. 2 times of A plus B plus C of one day work become 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. So when we calculate it, we get 1 by 5. So what will be the combined efficiency of A, B and C of one day, which is 1 by 10. Clear? So the time taken by A, B and C together to do the same work is, because efficiency is inversely proportional to time, so it will take 10 days. Clear? Solution to be continued. Now we can use shortcut. A and B's time taken is given 12, 15, B and C and A is 20. So when we take LCM, which is 60, we let this as a total work. So we get the combined efficiency of AB is 5, BC is 4 and AC is 3. So we can calculate one day work. Now when we calculate it, we get combined efficiency of A, B and C for one day is 6 unit. Clear? Now the total work completed by A, B and C, total work is 60 and combined efficiency is 6. So we divide it, we get 10 days. Next question. A group of men decided to do a work in 10 days, but 5 of them absented themselves. If the rest of the group finished the work in 12 days, they find the original number of men. You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Suppose there were X men originally. So by the using formula of M1 D1 equals to M2 D2, we know that. So question says that 10x equals to 12x minus 5. Clear? So when we calculate, we get the value of x, which is 12 into 5 upon 12 minus 10. So we get 30 men. Clear? Next one. A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days, B and C in 24 days, A and C in 36 days. In what time can they do it all working together? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now we know that the one day work of A and B combined, which is become 1 by 18 efficiency. Same way B plus C's one day work will become 1 by 24. Same way C and A's one day work will become 1 by 36. So we can calculate by adding all these three combined efficiency of 2 times of A, B and C, which is become 1 by 8. So what will be the combined efficiency of A and B and C in of one day, which becomes 1 by 16. Now A, B, C together finish the work, which is inversely proportionate to efficiency, which is 16 days. Solution to be continued. Now we can use for shortcut in this question. We know that the combined number of days taken by AB, BC and AC. So we can calculate the combined efficiency of AB, BC and AC, which is 18, 24 and 36. LCM will be 72. So the total work we let as a 72 unit. Now and then we can calculate the combined efficiency of A and B, which is 4 unit, B and C which is 3 unit, A and C which is 2 unit. Clear? So we can calculate the combined efficiency of A, B and C together for 2 days, which is 9 unit. So what will be the one day work of A, B and C only? It will become 9 by 4. So total work completed by A and B and C in how many days? It will become total work is 72 dividing by 9 by 2, which becomes 16 days. 72 into 2 upon 9, which becomes 16 days. Clear? Now summarizing our today's class, time and work basic concept is work is the amount of tasks completed, while time refers to the duration needed to complete the work. The relationship between time and work is often analyzed to determine productivity and efficiency. Formula: if a job can be completed by the one worker in T hours, then the work done can be qualified as W equals to T into work rate. Clear? For multiple workers, the combined work rate is sum of the individual work rate and the time required can be calculated accordingly. Work and wages concept. Wages are the compensation received for performing work. The amount paid can be based on time worked, amount of work done, or other criteria. Formula will be wage rate often given as per hour rate or per unit of work done. So total wage will becomes calculated as total wage equals to wage rate multiplying by hour worked, or we can say that total wages or work rate per unit multiplying by number of unit. Clear? So efficiency and time. Efficiency measures how efficiently time is used to complete work. Higher efficiency means more work is done in less time or the same amount of work is done in less time. Efficiency, often expressed as a percentage or ratio. A task takes 10 hours with 100% efficiency, reducing the time taken to 8 hours mean an increase in efficiency. So efficiency ratio become work done upon time taken. Now, thank you.